Hey y'all, so I figured out how I can get my 2-strand twist out to look bomb. So obviously this video is going to be me showing y'all how I get it to look bomb and full. If y'all go back and look at my other video when I did the 2-strand twist for the first time and I ended up having to put it up and it wasn't full and it looked a mess. Yeah, it's not going to look like that. I learned that I cannot do my hair, I cannot like twist my hair in small sections because it's not going to be full when I take it out, as y'all saw in that other video. So I have to do my twists in bigger sections in order for my hair to be really full. So the first time I used it, I did my twist in small sections and it came out like it did in the other video. And then was it yesterday? No. The day before yesterday, I did the twist and it came out full and I used these products. So this will be my third time using these and they're really good. This is the Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie and the Curl Milk, and this is how they look. So yeah, I'm going to be using these two in my water, and they smell just like the conditioner and shampoo. They smell really good. So basically all I'm going to do is just like take a piece of my hair and just, you know, see if it looks big enough and this looks good enough. And I'm going to section the rest of my hair off so it won't be in the way. And all I do is wet my hair, comb it out, and then I take the curl milk first. And this is how it looks up close. Do y'all see my curls? And then I take the curl smoothie and this is how it looks up close. And then all I do is just twist my hair. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out so we can see how it looks. Okay, so this is my hair. I really like it. Like, it's really big, it's full. You can still see the curls. Yeah, I think that it came out really nice. This is how the back looks. I really love it. I love the products, the Maui Moisture. So I would definitely suggest that you guys go buy it and try it out because you just might love it too. So yeah, 2-strand twists are definitely my favorite natural hairstyle to do on my hair. Y'all have been really ghost in the comments, and I'm just, you know, trying to understand why. Like, I thought y'all loved me. Y'all don't want to talk to me no more. It's cool, but you know, you could leave your girl a comment down below saying anything. Just make sure it's nice, you know. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I am about to be 1 year post Big Chop next week on the 24th. So stay tuned for that video. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but y'all will see when it is posted on, I think that's Tuesday. So yeah, it'll be posted on the day of my 1 year hairversary. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions, leave them down below. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye y'all.